It's maths time! Another day filled with exciting maths activities for you. Today, we are learning about non-standard measurement. We will talk about length and then learn how to measure it using different objects. For this session, you will require your maths kit. Are you ready with your math kit? Go and grab it! And look who's here to join us today. It's Bebot! And Bebot wants to play with you. Today, we will learn how to measure length of different objects with Bebot. Alright? Are you ready to play with him? I bet you are. Bebot wants you to choose the correct object. We have to choose which one is long or which one is short. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pencils, children. Which one is long? You're right. The pencil on the left is longer than the pencil on the right. This one is longer than the pencil on the right. Good job. Let's try another one. Let's compare these crayons. Which one do you think is short? Let's see. All right. Well done, children. So, this crayon on the right is shorter than the crayon on the left. How about a carrot and a cucumber? Hmm, which one do you think is longer between the two? Let's try. Oh no, Bebot can't decide. I think Bebot is a little confused right now. We need to help him because both vegetables looked like they have the same size, isn't it, children? We can measure, but wait, we don't have a ruler or a tape measure right now. So what can we use instead? Bebot says no need to worry because we can use other objects to measure. Items like paper clips, blocks, beads, buttons, straws, and even your handspan can be used to measure. These are some non-standard units that we can use at home to measure. Alright? Now I will show you how to use non-standard measurement to measure an object. Are you ready? Let's begin. We need cereals, a carrot, and a cucumber. So we're using cereal. They are in the same size and same object, isn't it? Then we will measure the carrot from end to end. Let's begin. Let's carefully line them up. Remember the rules. Let's make a straight line. All right, let's fix it. Okay, let's add more. Another one until we reach the other end of the carrot. All right, make a straight line. Did we follow that? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a second, there's a gap. So we need to adjust. When you see a gap, you have to make sure to close it. And let's add another one. Oh, all right. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The carrot is 13 cereal long. How about the cucumber? Let's use the same unit of measure, which is the cereal. Let's put it aside. Measure from end to end. Make sure we're doing a straight line. All right, I'll close it. One more, another, and another one until we reach the other end. Make a straight line, make sure no gap. Uh-oh, I can see a gap, so we have to adjust and make it close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cucumber is 8 serial long, carrot is 13 serial long. Which one is longer, carrot or cucumber? Yes, it's the carrot. All right, children, did you understand? This is non-standard measurement. Well done. So now we can help the bot to choose the right answer. And which one is it? It's the carrot, because the carrot is 13 serial loops long, while the cucumber is only 8 serial loops long. So which one is longer? It's the carrot. So which vegetable is longer? It's the carrot. Good job. Using non-standard units to measure, which is the cereal in our activity, we are able to compare the length of two vegetables. That is non-standard measurement. We use non-standard unit to measure an object. Let's review the rules for using non-standard units to measure. Are you ready, children? Let's discuss rule number 1. So look at the comb over here. We are using a marble to measure the length of the comb. And in this case, the marble is our non-standard unit. So this is our unit to measure, the marble. We are using different colors of marbles, and that's fine as long as the sizes are the same. They are the same size. So this comb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 marbles long. And over here in the second illustration, we can see that the comb was being measured using different objects, and that was wrong. What is rule number 1? Use the same object to measure. Can you repeat that? Use the same object to measure. Take a look at rule number 2. Over here, we measure a pencil using, what do you call this? These are paper clips. We use paper clips to measure how long is the pencil or the length of the pencil. Now, the paper clips are the same size, which is correct. And now, we measure it from end to end. Okay? So, we started over here and we ended up at the very tip of the pencil. So, that is measuring from end to end. So what is rule number 2? Measure from end to end. Can you repeat that, children? Measure from end to end. Good job. That's rule number 3. So over here, we are measuring a crayon and we're using paper clips. They are the same size, but look at the paper clips. It was arranged in a straight line. So rule number 3 is make a straight line and make sure there's no gap. There's no spaces in between the units. All right? So make sure it's in a straight line and no gap. So kids, always remember the rules when you measure. Time for a challenge, children. All right, look around the house and choose an object that you want to measure. You can use any like like a comb or a book. If you want to measure a spatula in the kitchen or any toy that you want to measure, you can. And then you have to choose your non-standard units from your maths kit. All right, children, you have your kit with you. Choose any small object from there that make sure you have to follow the rules. Use the same object, make sure it's a straight line, no gap, and measure from end to end. Those 4 rules you have to remember. And then take a picture of your activity and upload it in your template and send it to me. All right, children? Bye-bye. Happy measuring.